Are you planning an event or construction project in Hoover? Understanding Porta Potty rental costs is essential. Let's break it down. Renting a Porta Potty in Hoover usually ranges from $120 to $250, depending on the type. Standard units typically cost $120 to $175, while ADA-compliant models range from $150 to $225. Deluxe options start at $175. Factors like rental duration, delivery distance, and the number of units influence costs. Booking multiple units can save you 10–25%. Choose between basic standard units and upgraded models offering added comfort. Deluxe units feature hand-washing stations and solar lighting. To get the best rates, consider booking 2 to 3 weeks in advance, especially during peak seasons. Always compare quotes from local providers. For tailored quotes, contact Hoover TidyPot directly. Ensure your needs are met and your event runs smoothly. Ready to secure your rental? Contact Hoover TidyPot today.